Restaurant car wash.
Neutral. It's time to put a neutral gear.
Neutral.
Neutral?
If you don't put it in neutral right now, I'm gonna freak out.
How?
Neutral.
Neutral? Excuse me, the restaurant car is closed. What are I gonna say, Sarah, if it's closed?
Excuse me, the restaurant car wash is closed today
Darn it.
because it's Monday.
I would like to do it right now.
Right now?
Yes.
What if it's closed right now? And not tomorrow? What are we gonna do?
No fits.
We're gonna go tomorrow. We're gonna go tomorrow.
Yep.